Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily initialize network settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, we need to go to Preferences. And then here, we need to go to Network. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom. And now at the bottom we have the Initialize Network Settings. After we click on it, it will ask us if we want to initialize our settings. And if you do want to, if nothing's set up yet, then you simply can click yes. But if everything's set up, then I wouldn't recommend that unless you have a very good reason to do that. But everything is set up for me, so I'll click no. But after you initialize those settings, basically everything will be reverted to default. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.